Hey everyone, in today's short video, I want to talk to you about YouTube affiliate marketing, specifically within the context of if you can see success without having a large following. And the answer to that question is yes, you can. Some people believe that in order to really get to great results with YouTube that you need to grow some sort of following first, then start promoting to them kind of like with an email list, and then down the line is when you start to see results. There is truth to that statement, but you can really see results initially as you create new content without having a large subscriber base. And I'll show you in a moment why that is the case. Now, before I do, let me just quickly say that if you don't know who I am, my name is Vitaly, and I do affiliate marketing for a living. You can see some of my other videos and a resource below that shows you some of my stats in this. I've been doing this for a long time, and I help people with this sort of stuff. And that resource that I just mentioned will also help you get started if you're a beginner or perhaps struggling in this business, to really teach you how to build a legitimate affiliate business and have it make you passive or even a full-time income in the long run, which it has been doing for me for the past 15 years. So with that out of the way, let's get back to the main subject, which is YouTube affiliate marketing and succeeding at it without a following. So let me just give you a quick glance as to the background of my particular channel in this case, and you'll notice that a majority of videos that I have over here really don't have that many views. In fact, my total subscriber base right now is a little over 7,000, which is good, but the truth is I haven't really been making too much content over the many years that I've been involved in YouTube. I mainly do paid ads when it comes to affiliate marketing. I have been doing blogging, although the helpful content update, for lack of a better word, kind of made that more difficult, so I've gotten back into YouTube. But that out of the way, with many of these videos, you'll see that most of them don't even have that many views when it comes down to it. But I've actually gotten, in this case, a couple of referrals and people signing up to my email list from the small number of views that have come in. And really the main point to keep in mind is that, yes, it's good to have a lot of views, but views don't necessarily translate into sales. For example, I have another channel over here on nature, and I have a lot of shorts videos that get me a lot of views, and I can do this. I'm probably going to do the same thing for my main channel. So these ones get me a bit more there. This channel is a bit older when it comes to many of the videos that I've had, but the shorts videos are doing pretty well. However, my point in saying this is that larger view numbers don't translate into larger sales. Proportionally, it may be the case, but it's the quality of the views. So when I create content like this that you see before you, I focus on creating quality content on an interesting subject where people are actually interested in some kind of business model. So in this case, with my last 4 or 5 videos, or in general across my channel, I cover the subject of making money online. And obviously, if you're watching this right now, you are at least in some way interested in doing the same. So there might be some kind of thing going on where you're like, well, I'm considering investing in something, or I'm considering in starting an online business or making money online, and I want to learn how to do that. You have this idea that I might have to pay to learn how to do that, and what I actually recommend, you can start for free with that resource below talks about it. But that's not the point. The point being is that the very fact that my channel talks about something where people have some sort of financial interest and they may be interested in spending money already makes them much more interested in buying something, potentially, if I can, be convincing enough about it. And as a result, every single person over here, the value of of each view potentially carries way more interest than, let's say, this channel over here where people are just interested in looking at nature. I mean, I can get like millions of views for this. Yes, I can probably monetize this and that would be great. But we're talking about affiliate marketing here. And in this particular case, I have over the years seen time and time again that as long as I put out good content and recommend products that are popular and really give them a decent review, you don't have to be like a super crazy good videographer or something like that. But the point being is, if I create decent content about a product that people are interested in, and I talk about the pros and cons, and if I recommend it, guess what? People are going to buy it. And this can trickle into sales. So for example, I have some videos over here where I promote different shoes, trekking poles, a backpack. I've gotten a trickle of sales of this over the years. Now, some of them is just like less than $1, some of them is like $5, but this adds up. And initially when I created these videos, I didn't really have a large channel base. In fact, for this particular channel, I have less than 1,000 subscribers. So I'm not even monetizing these videos on top of the affiliate marketing. I'm just doing affiliate marketing. And these view counts that are adding up, they've added up over years. So there's been a trickle of sales coming in, even when the view count was low. So yes, I don't have a large following, but guess what? This channel is making me sales as an affiliate marketer. Same thing for this one. And so the next point that I want to make is that The thing about it is that every channel has to start off with a small view count. You're going to start off at 0. That's the bottom line. But as long as you create videos incrementally on a subject that's interesting to people, where people spend money, your subscriber base is going to grow, and you can already make money from affiliate marketing with a low subscriber count as it is. But as long as you keep being consistent and growing your content, what's going to happen over time is that you're going to get a larger and larger and larger subscriber base. And then over time, with the new content that you create, your existing subscribers are going to help you boost up that view count. And then what you can start to do is you can start to add monetization on top of that, where you play commercials in front of your videos, and that can be an extra income source that comes in. It's not going to be a lot. The affiliate marketing is probably going to do way better for you if you promote stuff that pays you decent amounts of money. But the point being is that no channel that has a large following started that way. They started with 0 and they slowly built it up with good content. Some channels out there that have a lot of subscribers, in my opinion, offer questionable content, but that's my opinion. But the point being is you got to start somewhere. You got to build it up little by little by little. So if you start with one video promoting something, make another video promoting something else. Maybe make a content video just that doesn't promote anything, that just gives good value, so you can build trust with people. And the other thing to keep in mind is that most people that visit your YouTube channel, not just mine, but most others, they're just going to watch your video once and that's it, they're gone. So that's totally fine. That's totally understandable. It's sort of a game of numbers, and it isn't when you start to get into this. But the point being overall is that you shouldn't focus so much of, oh, I need to have good subscribers. Focus on promoting stuff that you're very interested in on YouTube, create content on that, review products that are very popular in that niche, make that your starting point, and try to create good content on it. Try to speak from the heart when it comes to this kind of stuff, because that really connects with people. Like, I don't have some kind of, bullet points of what I want to cover and this and that. I'm not being robotic about it. I'm just speaking from the heart, speaking as genuinely as I can about this subject. And really, that's what I recommend that you do when it comes down to it. Don't worry about the subscribers. Don't worry about anything else other than creating that kind of good content, and everything else will kind of fall into place over time. You're going to notice that as things build up. And I'm speaking from experience because, yes, even though I don't have a very large subscriber count, I have a lot of experience with affiliate marketing and other things. And the general idea behind it is still the same, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's paid ads, whether it be email marketing, blogging, whatever method that's out there. So I'm still focused on creating much more YouTube content on this sort of stuff, growing my channel and all these sorts of things, but I'm not thinking from the end over here. I'm thinking about what's right in front of me that I can do right now, incrementally building things up. And over time, everything else falls into place, like I mentioned before. So thanks a lot for watching today's video. I really hope that it was helpful. I hope I didn't ramble on too much and confused you. And once again, like I always like to mention, if you are someone that's a beginner or struggling in affiliate marketing or making money online in general, check out the resource below, which will really help you get started with this and understand how to do it correctly. So if you have any questions about this material, or there's other things that you want me to cover in a future video, comment below and check out my video content from the past, because there may be a good chance that I already covered that kind of question, like with affiliate marketing, in a previous video. But thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.